Let us begin the next topic, that is classification of different types of agriculture. As you know, agriculture is an age-old activity, and in my previous class, economics class, I have informed you that agriculture began in Mesolithic age, and by the time we have reached in 21st century due to several circumstances. These circumstances may be change in our surrounding and uh, ever increasing population, and above all advancement of technology. Different types of agricultural activities are performed all over the world. Particularly we will focus more upon India, though farming varies from one type to another in different parts of our country. For example, in northeastern parts like Meghalaya or other states, what we call as Seven Sister States, um, along the slopes of Garo Khasi Jaintia hills, specifically, local people are involved in shifting cultivation. If you will go towards northwestern part of India, like Punjab, Haryana, then farmers are involved in commercial grain farming. If you will come to Jharkhand and Odisha and Chhattisgarh kind of states, then farmers are involved in subsistence type of farming. If you will go to certain pockets in uh, Kerala or Karnataka or Maharashtra, then farmers have started growing uh, are involved in extensive farming. Another very important type of farming which is performed in India is plantation farming, Assam. It is worldwide famous for tea plantations. Slopes of Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats, where they combine together in the southern part of India, there plantation of coffees could be seen easily. Kerala, it is famous as Spice Garden of India, and rubber plantations also could be seen in Kerala. So you can see that in different parts of our country, different types of farming is performed. It depends. The variation, it depends upon certain factors. These factors are type of land, amount of population or population pressure, you can say. Like another thing, you can say uh, how much farmers are rich, how much they are able to invest in farming, and above all, technological advancement. So, enough background or platform or information I've given to you about classification. Now you can see the bottom part of same board here. With the help of flow chart, I have tried to show you classification of different types of farming. It could be done on two bases. First parameter is on the basis of availability of land. On the basis of availability of land means how much land is available for farmer. Farming could be of two types: intensive type of farming and extensive type of farming. Intensive type of farming, it is performed in densely populated countries or densely populated regions. Like already we have seen in the previous topic, the size of plots are too small. So that is due to population pressure on land. So on the basis of availability, first type of farming is intensive farming, which is performed in densely populated country. And the most important feature is size of plots are too small. Another type is extensive type of farming. As the word suggests, such kind of farms are extended, phala hua, magnitude wise, means large sized farms. And it is performed in large nations with comparatively less population. Examples are Russia, Canada, United States of America, Australia, Argentina, etc. These nations, these are having vast land resource with them and very less population. For example, Russia. You know, Russia is world's largest nation and it covers almost 40% of total land area of the world. 40% all alone. And you know what is the total population of Russia? Merely 14 crore, which is like you can say two-third of टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश यानी हमारे देश का जो मोस्ट पॉपुलेटेड स्टेट है उत्तर प्रदेश जिसका पॉपुलेशन है 22 करोड़ उससे भी कम है रशिया का पॉपुलेशन जो कि वर्ल्ड का लार्जेस्ट नेशन है अनदर एग्जांपल कनाडा कनाडा इज वर्ल्ड सेकंड लार्जेस्ट नेशन I think more than 3 Indias could be adjusted in Canada. But what is the total population? 3.3 crore. Similar to those of Jharkhand. जो झारखंड का population है almost, that is the population of Canada. Another example, United States of America. Thereafter Australia. Australia का condition तो और भी है अलग. Australia में more than 2.5 Indias could be adjusted. But the total population of Australia is 2.7 crore, less than Jharkhand. I think enough examples I have given just to make you understand what is extensive farming. Extensive farming, size of agricultural plots are too large. It is performed in large nations with less population. Like I'm reminding you, you have studied in class 8 a comparative study between a farm in India and a farm in USA. Then you can remember that average size of farm in USA was 500 acres. And just now you have studied what is the size of plot in India, less than half hectare. 40% of total land holdings, 60% of total land holdings less than 1 hectare. So there is no comparison. I think enough you must have understood. The first criterion on the basis of availability of land, there are two types of farming, intensive and extensive farming. Let us have a look of another parameter, another criterion that is on the basis of purpose. यानी फार्मिंग किस उद्देश्य से की जा रही है फार्मिंग करने के पीछे का उद्देश्य पर्पस क्या है on the basis of purpose there are two types of farming first one is subsistence another is commercial farming let us have a look of subsistence farming means इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं जीवन यापन के लिए यानी किसी तरह जीवित रहने के लिए यानी farming is done for family consumption only. There is no surplus production. फार्मर के पास इतना छोटे साइज का प्लॉट है कि वो सरप्लस प्रोड्यूस करना तो बहुत दूर की बात है एट टाइम्स वो साल भर का भी ग्रो नहीं कर पाता अपने रिक्वायरमेंट का फैमिली के रिक्वायरमेंट का हो सकता है वो 3 महीना 4 महीना 6 महीना तक के रिक्वायरमेंट का ग्रो कर पाया एंड फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ मंथ just to fulfill his basic requirement he has to work as laborer in large farmers or he has to migrate to nearby urban centers in search of job so you can understand what is subsistence farming सब्सिस्टेंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग जीवन यापन किसी तरह जीवित रहने के लिए फैमिली कंजम्पशन के लिए एंड देर इज नो सरप्लस प्रोडक्शन कोई एक्स्ट्रा प्रोडक्शन नहीं होता है जिसको कि फार्मर जाके गांव के हाट में बेचे और अपना कुछ कुछ मनी जनरेट करे नो दैट इज सब्सिस्टेंस टाइप ऑफ फार्मिंग एंड यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट इज ड्यू टू very small sized plot. It's another type is commercial farming. As the word suggests, commerce, business, trade. This kind of farming is performed just to sell the product in the market. यानी कि देर इज ह्यूज सरप्लस प्रोडक्शन, फार्मिंग की ही जा रही है इसलिए कि उसको मार्केट में बेच करके पैसा कमाया जाए. दिस इज वाई इट हैज गॉट सच नेम एज कॉमर्शियल फार्मिंग. ओके. In commercial farming, in most of the cases, cash crops are grown. For example, Assam's tea garden, they are example of commercial farming. Kerala's rubber plantations or spice plantations or coffee plantations, these are example of commercial farming. Commercial farming, another feature is generally it is performed in very big size plot and it is capital intensive. In my next explanation, I will inform you what are they. So this way, we have got four subtypes: intensive, extensive, subsistence, and commercial. Now let us combine these four together. ये चारों का हम लोग कॉम्बिनेशन बना सकते हैं. सबसे पहला कॉम्बिनेशन होगा, यू कैन कीप सीइंग, आई हैव रिटन आल्सो, इंटेंसिव सब्सिस्टेंस टाइप ऑफ फार्मिंग, जो कि ऑलरेडी अभी हम लोग देख चुके हैं इंडिया के फार्मिंग का फीचर जब देख रहे थे. तो हियर आई हैव रिटन आल्सो एग्जांपल. इट इज परफॉर्म्ड इन इंडिया, जापान, बांग्लादेश एंड अदर साउथ ईस्ट एशियन नेशंस. फाइनल एग्जाम, क्लास 9 के फाइनल एग्जाम में आई हैड आस्क्ड वन क्वेश्चन, नेम एनी फोर साउथ ईस्ट एशियन नेशंस. So what are the examples? Examples are Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, etc. तो कहने का मतलब कि इंडिया, जापान, बांग्लादेश and other Southeast Asian nations, intensive subsistence type of farming is done. अब इसका फीचर क्या होगा आप समझ सकते हैं आराम से. इंटेंसिव है तो साइज ऑफ प्लॉट बहुत छोटा होगा. सब्सिस्टेंस है तो देयर विल बी नो सरप्लस प्रोडक्शन, यानी सिर्फ फार्मर के फैमिली के रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल करने के लिए ही इस तरह का फार्मिंग किया जाता है. दैट इज इंटेंसिव सब्सिस्टेंस फार्मिंग. नेक्स्ट इज इंटेंसिव कॉमर्शियल. इट इज अ बिट एनोमैली काइंड, आयरॉनिकल. एक तरफ तो हम बोल रहे हैं कि ये इंटेंसिव है यानी स्मॉल साइज प्लॉट है, दूसरी तरफ हम बोल रहे हैं कि ये कॉमर्शियल है यानी कि देयर इज सरप्लस प्रोडक्शन. हाउ कम? इट इज पॉसिबल चिल्ड्रन, and it is performed in Western European nations. Remember, Western European nations, for example, United Kingdom, Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, France, Spain, Germany, Switzerland, etc. These nations are densely populated nations and small also. तो जाहिर है कि यहाँ पर इंटेंसिव फार्मिंग होगी क्योंकि प्लेंटी ऑफ लैंड इज नॉट अवेलेबल. अब सवाल है कि उन लोग छोटे से फार्म पर सरप्लस प्रोडक्शन कैसे कर लेते हैं. तो इसलिए कर पाते हैं क्योंकि दीज नेशंस आर टेक्नोलॉजिकली वेरी वेरी मच एडवांस्ड nations and they can invest technology in the form of, like you can say, machine, or in the form of, like nowadays the most popularly they are performing vertical farming. यानी कि वर्टिकली फार्मर्स को यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इजिली. तो वर्टिकल फार्म में क्या होगा कि फार्म यानी